Hey friend, the Make Stuff Challenge, it's officially back.
And we have $1,500 of cash prizes.
And some other goodies in there from our friends at MusicBed.
And we want to see you in the challenge.
That's basically the full video. Watch more to find out. We want to see your entries. Let's go to the van and talk about it.
Our mantra around here on the channel is,
life's better when you make stuff.
and so I challenge you to make a video, to tell a story, and to submit it into this year's Make Stuff Challenge. You've got 3 weeks to participate. We'll draw some winners from our favorites, give away some awesome prizes, but most of all, we just want to see videos from you.
So let's chat details. You've got 21 days, 3 weeks to create a video. The video has to be under 5 minutes in length and use music only from MusicBed. That's the single requirement. They have a free trial, so you're covered there, and it's gotta be under 5 minutes in length. If you go to makestuffchallenge.com, that's where you can submit your video, but this is also where you can now view a gallery of the current submissions, so that way you can go around to videos that other people have entered and start to interact with them. We've got some awesome prizes. So $1,000 to spend on whatever you want to the grand prize winner, and 2 runner-ups that will get $250, and of course, MusicBed subscriptions to go around. This is by far the thing I'm most grateful that we did last year with the community, and the results that came out of it. Getting to see finished videos get submitted was just so cool for me. I'm not trying to run a contest here. I want to run a community challenge. This year we've lengthened the challenge to 3 weeks, so you've got more time to work on it, but I'm also going to try to upload some tutorials on how to do better storytelling. So specifically with the piece that I made with the Letter to Janelle film, I'm going to walk you through how I did the writing and construction and the evolution of that kind of storytelling piece. If you have questions about how I pulled that off storytelling wise, I would love to hear them, because I'm gonna walk you through how I did that. But this year we've got a theme, so I'm gonna try to encourage you and give you some creative focus. And the theme of this year is stories from the archive. Most of us have footage or pictures or stories that are sitting on a hard drive somewhere that we would love to finish someday, but we just keep pushing that day off. So go into your hard drives, try to find some images. Maybe there's a specific trip you did. Maybe there's a project you worked on. Whatever you have, it could be one image or it could be a ton of footage. So you don't have to do a recorded voiceover if you don't want to. You could just use titles, you could just use photos, but all the various ideas that might be popping up into your head when I tell you, what footage do you have from the past that you'd love to breathe some new life into, a story that you finally actually want to tell? And of course, another challenging part of finishing these edits is finding music that is appropriate to the finished video. Oftentimes I'm looking for music that has sort of a singer-songwriter quality to it, where it feels like actual music, like someone wrote it and it's not just electronic rhythms and beats and royalty-free vibes, where it just feels like some stock catalog. That's the beauty of MusicBed to me. Their library and their catalog is filled with all these other musical artists who've poured their own heart into what they've made, and that really comes through as you start to listen to some of this music. And the way their service works for subscriptions is actually really cool. You set up an account and you can start with a free trial, or you select whatever range you're looking for your freelance work or just for your YouTube channel. And the best part is that you now got access to this massive catalog where you can filter through and use their tools to sort by the genre, by the attribute, by the mood, I'm inventing new language here, by the mood. And this just helps start to categorize the music and narrow down your focus, so that way you can start to find songs that might fit your project. And then when you've made your decisions, you can go back to MusicBed, download the high quality version of the song, select the license that fits for your subscription. Their service is just really simple to use, and somehow I find it the easiest to find the kind of songs that I like, so maybe you'll find this similarly. So when you're getting into your edit, just head over to MusicBed and just start browsing the catalog and use that as inspiration to start getting the gears turning on how you want your edit to come together. Let's go check on the ladies. Here through the trees. Is any of this looking familiar? There's the ladies. Hi. Is there anything I'm forgetting about the Make Stuff Challenge?
I want to see submissions from all sorts of people. You don't have to be the best filmmaker. Some of our favorites from last year were just like, I don't know, some of the families that put stuff together, or the people that I maybe wasn't expecting. that was pretty cool, just to like see what you guys are up to.
This is not who has the best camera gear for capturing the best visuals. This is a storytelling challenge to just use your context to make something.
Make sure you're following me on Instagram, because I'm going to be trying to feature people that are doing their current projects and share some daily encouragement as this challenge goes on. The bottom line is I would absolutely love to see a finished video from you. I am really excited to see what you're working on. I've talked too much already, so that's going to be it for this one. Remember, life's better when you make stuff. Peace.